Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praise, glory, and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word, truth, and sincerity. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word, truth, and sincerity as well too. When I say shalom to the Akim out there, and this is a quick sit-down lesson that I want to bring out. And the title of the lesson is Amos 3 and verse 6. Shall a trumpet be blown in a city, and the people shall not be afraid? Shall there be evil in a city, and the Lord hath not done it? Right, so as you see the men of the Lord during those ancient times, shall a trumpet be blown in the city, just like Jeremiah 28:8. The prophets of old prophesied against great countries and many kingdoms, prophesying about war, evil, and pestilence. That's what we see the prophets, the man of the Lord, back on the scene today in modern day times. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city? Just like in those ancient times of our great forefathers, sound the alarm, blowing the trumpet. What's about to come in the near future, as we see these major events, global events, biblical signs that we are going to see increase in the latter days. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and none shall be afraid? And shall there be evil in the city, and the Lord hath not done it? Right, we're going to see that increase in the latter days as well too. That's why you see the men of the Lord of the respectable 12 tribes of Israel, because we are the lost sheep of the house of Israel, and we are the sons, and as we are the sons of the Most High, out there being His prophets, His servants, out there teaching, out in the streets, teaching ministries of Yahweh Shai. Sounding that alarm, blowing an alarm. What's currently taking place right now with the events that's taking place, and what's about to come in the near future as well too. That's why we are sound the alarm, blowing the trumpet in Zion, and let all the habitations land tremble, because the day of Hamashiach Yahweh Shai's return is nigh at hand. Just like the prophets of old prophesied and sound the alarm in the latter days during those times. Now we're doing it back on the scene today of our great forefathers, of our ancestors, of the prophets of old. Now you see the prophets of modern day times sound the alarm, blowing the trumpet, as I brought out Amos 3 and 6. And this was happening during those times, in ancient times. Shall a trumpet be blown in the city, and the people shall not be afraid? Shall there be evil in a city, and the Lord hath not done it? So that shows you that, we're living in the modern days of Noah. We're living in the modern days of modern day Egypt, modern day Babylon. That's why the men of the Lord prophesy against great countries and great kingdoms during those times of our great forefathers. Now we are back on the scene today, sound the alarm about the wars, evils, and the pestilence that's about to come around the world for a witness, and over here in modern day Babylon as well too. So with that, hopefully this lesson was edifying of Amos 3 and 6, and that's the title of the lesson. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem Akarkadash. Shalom to the elders for preaching the word, truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word, truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom.